Hi guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate it. If you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe and become part of my YouTube family. Okay, today guys, I'm bringing you guys along to show you how I make a baked potato for dinner in the microwave. I discovered that the baked potatoes comes out really good over 10 years ago, and I have been doing it off and on when I do not feel like cutting on my oven. So what you're going to have to do, or what you're going to need, I sprayed Pam after cleaning these real well, and I dried them off with a clean paper towel, and I poke holes all around the potato, and then I sprayed it with the Pam, and I put it on this microwavable plate I got from a Dollar Tree. It comes in a pack of 2. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to place them in the microwave and let them start cooking. And I'm going to bring you guys back when they're all done and show you the other steps that I do and how well they come out when they're done. So right now I just have some clean bowls and another plate over here. The bowls and the plate, like I said, is microwavable. It comes from Dollar Tree. It comes in a pack of 2. The bowls, one is for the bacon and one is for the cheese. And I just have an extra clean plate, so when the baked potatoes get done cooking, I can transfer them over to this plate right here and start dressing them up and show you guys the next step. Over here on my stove, guys, I have my bacon cooking. I get bacon bits sometimes from Sam's Club. I was getting them for a while, but then Sam's Club went up with the bacon bits that I used to get. It was like $5 and some change, or $6 and some change, and now they're $10. But that's fine. I have a ton of bacon in my refrigerator, in my freezer, so homemade bacon is better anyway. So I would just go ahead and make my own bacon until maybe I get to Aldi's and get some bacon bits. But I'm not paying $10 for bacon bits, even though it's a medium-sized bag. But still, that's just ridiculous after paying $5 and maybe $6, you know, for a while. So, but anyway, this is my bacon cooking up, guys. My bowl's an extra plate, and let's get started and put this in the microwave. Again, make sure you clean them off real good. Poke holes in it. Put it on a plate, hopefully on a microwavable plate, and spray Pam all over it, or whatever types of cooking oil that you have. I'm placing them inside, guys. And since they are 2 big ones, I'm going to set it, let's see, right there. I'm gonna let this time runs all the way through, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished results. Okay, see you in a few. Okay guys, I'm back with the baked potato. For the purpose of this video, I took it out the oven. I mean, not the oven, but I took it out of the microwave, and I cut it open so you guys can see. And I also placed butter on there. Also guys, these baked potatoes are pretty big, so I had to let the timer go again, but I did half the time so it can cook really well. So yeah, I cut it open, put the butter on there, and I'm just showing you guys how it turned out, because again, I'm working with one hand here. And this is what I do. I'm gonna bring it over here. Also guys, I have my sour cream, country crock butter, and I have my Crystal Farm cheese. This is pretty good cheese, guys. When Kraft is not on sale, or what is that other one? Cracker Barrel or Kraft is not on sale. This goes on sale, Crystal Farm. This is pretty good cheese. I've been using it for years. When I cannot find Kraft or Cracker Barrel cheese on sale. Also, this is my bacon. I cooked the bacon and I put it on some paper towel, and I crunch it up in the paper towels, and I just, you know, to get the excess grease off, and I put it in the bowl. And here go my cheese. So I'm going to show you real quick what we do. Well, what I do. Haven't had any complaints. I usually use my hands because it's extremely clean. I always have fresh dishwater when I'm cooking. Warm dishwater with my detergent. And a little bit of cup of the bleach. Just a little bleach. But I'm just using a spoon for the purpose of the video. You do not have to wait all day, guys, for a baked potato in your oven. Trust me, I was one of those people that I wanted my baked potato just in the oven until I tried this one day. And this was over 10 years ago. And it came out pretty good, and I was really surprised because I was not raised to cook my food or heat up my food in the microwave. I was raised, been in the kitchen with my mom since I was 8 years old. My other siblings was outside with their friends or outside playing. I was in there learning how to cook. I was taught how to cook in the oven and on top of the stove. And we also heat our food up in the oven. So I usually do not like anything in I don't like anything that's too much, you know, heating up or cooking in the microwave. That's my son and his generation. They like that. I don't. But I was really surprised how this came out. So, okay, guys, I put all my cheese on there. And you saw my butter. So this is what we're going to do. And it does not taste like it came out the microwave. So I'm going to place it back in there, guys. Just gonna wait for it to melt. So I'm gonna stand to the side. You don't supposed to be standing in front of a microwave because of all the radiation. So gonna let that melt. And you know what, guys, I'm kind of disappointed that I forgot with all the shopping I did a couple of weeks ago. I forgot I had no more fresh chives, fresh onions, and I had no more McCormick freeze dry chives. So I'm kind of disappointed because when I make baked potatoes, I definitely look for that. But I'm just gonna have to put it on my list when I go out tomorrow. I'm gonna run out tomorrow for a minute and pick up a few items and kind of replenish. We're supposed to have a bad storm coming here. I'm in the northeast. I don't know if I told you guys that before, but I am in the northeast, and we're supposed to have some storm, you know, winter storms coming. So I'm gonna head out to the store tomorrow and try to replenish some things, and I'm gonna put that on my list. Some fresh onions and some freeze dry chives. I like it from McCormick. So okay, guys, we about to get ready and eat. I'm just trying to show you the end result really quick. I like the cheese to melt down. And we like a lot of cheese, guys. Put however amount of cheese that you like on yours and however much butter. Okay, I'm going to let it melt down just a little bit more. And then I'm going to take it out and show you guys my finished results real quick. My son is waiting on this baked potato. And sometimes if we have leftover steak, we'll heat that up, or some leftover chicken. He put all kinds of stuff on his, but I do too sometimes. But if you just want a simple and quick baked potato, this is good too. It just, I'm disappointed that I didn't have the fresh green onions or the chives, but I guess we'll live. I'm pretty sure we will. So comment down below and let me know, guys, are you guys going to try and do your baked potatoes like this. Okay. This is all that we do. And what I'm going to do, we're going to put some bacon bits on here. And then we're going to put the Daisy sour cream. And that's it, guys. That is a quick dinner, baked potato. Would have been more fun with the chives, but that's okay. I'm grateful for what I have. So comment down below if you're going to try this in the microwave. Like, comment, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Okay, guys. Talk to you later. Take care and stay safe.